Yeah, that looks.
Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, my new suspension gets in next weekend.
Sick. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's a bit of a risk. I mean, we'll just see, because I was kind of free-balling it when we bought it. But that's what we do.
That's what we do. eBay, right?
Yeah.
I think they've got...
So at least they have a decent return policy.
Yeah, they've got protection programs and stuff.
Right. Oh, that 42017 too, dog.
Nice.
We're in that 42069, dog. The inside diameter is wrong.
Damn it. Son of a bitch.
So that one's snug. This one be rolling, dog.
God damn it.
16.9. So yeah, the 17.
So it's got to be 17 then,
It's
huh?
got to be 17. So we're just not charging.
Back to the same old bullshit.
That's probably a wiring issue.
Right? Because last time it was a pretty simple.
They tried to trick us by using the serial number that I think is on my bike.
Okay.
So
it might
made
still
it look
be
like a live fan is what I'm guessing. Because if you start to look at shit like this, where this clutch comes in right here,
yeah,
like it's kind of like goobered up and shit.
Right.
It just looks
a little not as polished.
Yeah. Not to say that the internals are, Okay, so I guess not all greens are greens, guys.
There's one green that's a red.
There's just certain greens need to go to other greens, and they can't go to the, I would assume if it was green, it
could just get kind of tied together.
Yeah, but no, there's only specific greens that can go together, and other greens must go with other greens that are not the greens that...
Dan just told us a beautiful poem written in green. Bluebis. Yes. And the old Green Goblin, little Honda Express 50.
There's like a lot of, and it's like in pretty good shape too. This one's gonna be fun.
Been a bluebie.
Got a new magneto, new CDI, new Reggie, new ignition coil, and a new ignition switch. Is there any other electrical part in this bike?
That could be
ignition.
I think we narrowed it down.
So.
It's gotta work. Nice. Godspeed.
All right, I'm gonna take her down to that.
Yeah.
train.
Yeah, man.
Woo! Made it there. Made it back.
Nice. Did you lay on it a little bit? Lay into it?
I got it up to 30, which even at 30, it's pretty high.
Really? It revs high?
Yeah.
Even in the top gear, huh?
Even in the top gear.
So we just gotta change those teeth out.
Gotta change those teeth out.
He just redlined it for too long.
For 3 hours.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah, dude, too long of a run, man.
Yeah.
That I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm trying to remember exactly what this looked like.
Dude, it didn't look like that.
Yeah. I mean, and all these top wires were frayed when I pulled it out. These bottom ones I frayed myself, but
Yeah.
Yeah, like all that shit. I think we actually have your like other original one.
So
But this one's probably
this
still
one
good.
looks okay to you? Cool.
Yeah. I think we just had the wiring backwards.